Hi there everybody, back again after a couple of months. Sorry I've been ill, I've had a couple of strokes, but I did promise you I'd show you the running of lead acids and charging them from the lithium ions. So to start with, I've got 10 amp hour 12 volt lithium sealed acid, lead sealed acid, and I'm going to run a little bulb off them, which you can now see running nicely. This was at 1263, that's now at 1256 and going down. The sealed lead acid is dropping to 1255. The lithium ion is sitting there at 1373 because it's full. But let's say, for argument's sake, it's midnight and the lights have gone out, or you've discharged your batteries till they're dead, the batteries you want to use. So let's move things around a little bit. And once we've moved them around, you'll see we've got the light back on. So we've got the lead acid charging instead of discharging. It was about 50% empty, and the lithium ion is discharging at a very nominal rate because it's only a 20 watt bulb. So that's all good, that's not a problem. But we've also want to run so we've got a full lead acid, full lithium ion battery there, and we also want to run the whole thing so let's run a power inverter. And a thermal bulb, and we'll see from this angle that we're running out 322 watts thereabouts off of this end, converting DC to AC. So that's still going up, which is great stuff. That's going down very, very slowly, which is also great stuff. You should be aware that I'm not very good, in fact I'm no good, I've never edited a film, so please bear with me. So your 320 watts that we're burning there, that should take care of your TVs, your lamps, your computers, laptops, whatever, and probably a fridge or a small heater. Meanwhile, my lead acids are charging and my lithium ion is discharging. We're down to 1370, but that's full as well. So let's have a quick look, see what voltage we've got. So we're down at 1271, which we'd expect. That'll probably start to bounce back very shortly. That's still charging, which is good stuff. So let's assume for a second that this lithium ion at this end, that's down to about It's down to 1265. Let's assume it's dead. We've only taken a couple of minutes, but everything you want to know about batteries is really boring stuff. So let's take that off. And try connecting things up this way. And see what's happening now. We're still using 320 watts. That fella's down at 1325, which means it's dropped significantly. That's still going up, which is my lead acids. And let's just have a quick look at this fella at this end, and he's jumped straight back up to 1395, 96, 97. That fella's discharging. This is my one at the other end. And this is this one at this end, discharging while the other fella's still charging. So I'm taking 300 amps, sorry, I'm taking 320 watts out of using AC. I was taking 320 watts AC, and I'm taking 20 watts of a bulb. And as you can see, that's now going up and charging. 1334, 35. That's going to climb because of the reduction, having turned off the thermal lamp. That's going to climb. So just for background information, I've got 196 views, I've got 2 subscribers, and I really just want to interact with people, find out what they're thinking, what they think they can do. Batteries are a lot more complicated than people, or they are more complicated little items than people give them credit for, but they are more manipulative than people give them credit for. So hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully you can give me a like, subscribe, share, and most definitely comment. I will answer you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.